Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn English. I'm Priyanka and today we are going to learn about sentence and types of sentences. So let's begin. What's a sentence? Well, when we speak or write, we use sentences. Whenever we speak or write, we use sentences. Sentences are made up of words. Now, if somebody asks you about the definition of a sentence, what would be the answer? Well, here's the answer. A group of words, when arranged in a meaningful order and make complete sense, is called a sentence. Let's check few examples. Is pretty a girl, she, bird at the look, rose beautiful, how is the? Do these group of words make any sense? No, they do not make sense. Now let's check these examples. She is pretty girl. Look at that bird. How beautiful the rose is. What is your name? These are group of words that make complete sense and hence they are sentences. Now let's understand about types of sentences. Here on your screen you can see that sentences can be classified as declarative, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative sentences. So the types of sentences that we are going to read and learn about are assertive, also known as declarative or statement sentences. The second type of sentence is known as imperative sentence. Third, interrogative sentence. And the last one, exclamatory. Now, let us learn about each type of sentence in detail with examples. Assertive or declarative sentence. Well, these are the sentences that make a statement. These make a statement or declare something. Now, it can also be known as statement sentence. So, this type of sentence which makes a statement or declares something is known as assertive or declarative sentence. Now, we must also understand that assertive sentences are of two types or kinds. Now, let us understand about the two different kinds of assertive or declarative sentence. First one is known as positive sentence. And the second one is known as negative sentence. Now, positive sentences are also known as affirmative sentence. Let us understand these. Well, a positive sentence tells something and it ends with full stop. Now, what could be the example? Very easy. Let's check example. This dog barks at night. Well, this is a sentence that tells something. What it tells? It tells that this dog barks at night and it's a positive sentence. Let's check negative sentence. A sentence which has no, not, or never is called a negative sentence. It also ends with a full stop. Example, this dog does not bark at night. Full stop. So this sentence has a not in between. It takes a not, and thus this sentence is a negative sentence. I hope assertive or declarative sentences are now clear to you. So, sentence that makes a statement or declares something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. These sentences are of two kinds: positive, that tells something, ends with a full stop. Negative sentence, sentence which has no, not, or never. It ends with a full stop, and here are the examples. Now let's check the second type, that is imperative sentences. Now these are the sentences that gives a command or request or advises to do something. These type of sentences are known as imperative sentence. Once again, a sentence that gives a command or request or advises to do something is known as an imperative sentence. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Let us check an example. Look at that dog. Other examples can be pay attention. Please switch off the TV. That becomes a request. Pay attention is a command. And you must learn to do your homework neatly. That is advice. I hope with these examples it is clear that what are imperative sentences. Interrogative sentence. Well, these are the sentences that ask a question. So every time if a sentence asks a question, it is an interrogative sentence. Well, it ends with a question mark. Don't forget this. Now, what could be the example? What is your name? Question mark. Can you suggest few other examples? Well, we can take one as, does your dog bark at night? Question mark. So, interrogative sentence, a sentence that asks a question, is called an interrogative sentence. It ends with a question mark, and here are the examples. Let's go further and check about exclamatory sentences. Well, these are the sentences that express a strong feeling. It expresses a strong feeling. So, a sentence that expresses a strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence, and it ends with an exclamation mark. Don't forget this one. So here is an exclamation mark. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence, and it ends with an exclamation mark. And here can be the example. How beautiful the dog is! Exclamation mark. Suggest few examples. And now let's talk about optative sentence. Well, generally we have 4 different types of sentences. In the modern books, a different category is also introduced as optative sentence. Let us also understand about this type of a sentence. Well, these are the sentences which express prayer, wish, curse, etc. So, any sentence which expresses a prayer, wish, or curse is called an optative sentence. And here are few examples. May God bless you. Long live the king. I wish you a happy journey. Hope these examples have made you understand the types of sentences along with the examples clear. Thanks for watching. If you have liked this session, if you enjoyed it, and if you have learned something, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, keep smiling.